Okay. Alpha.
Yes.
I try to introduce you how to install and connect a wire after you received your own block machine.
Okay.
And before you start to using your QT4-20 fully pneumatic block machine, you have to remember to do some maintenance before you use it.
Okay.
Yeah, using. That means I will teach you. I'll give you the manual and instruction video how to maintain, like the grease, right?
Yeah.
That's like I teach you.
Yes.
The grease,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah. The grease. Yeah.
And also for some the how to say, like this kind of but after I will give you the a kind of the menu of the photos, you will understand where is the reducer. We call this one, this one the electric motor.
Yeah.
This one the reducer. The reducer will reduce the speed of the electric motor.
Okay.
So it can drive the block transfer, right? So this one is important for you to remember to open these caps and fill the gear oil.
Okay.
Gear oil.
Yes.
It's just the normal gear oil. That's all. Before you use it, you should put it full.
Okay.
And also there are another one, same.
Like this.
Yeah, like the belt.
Yeah, you show me there. Yeah.
On the top of the belt, there's another same electric motor with the gearbox. You also need to fill the gear oil.
Put all inside.
And also there's another two theme of this one is on your block stacker, the stacker machine.
The stacker.
There are two.
Okay. Yes.
There are two pieces of this gearbox. You have to fill the gear oil. That's all.
Okay.
And for the column.
And sorry, the quantity of the oil. How much I can?
Should be full. Make it
full.
Fill it full.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
And the second one is you should remember to grease, right?
Yes. Yes.
To grease.
Yes. Yes. Like
to grease this one. I like this one.
Yes.
To open this screw and remove it and grease with the gun. Punch it.
You have to remove it completely,
yes.
or you can use this one.
No. Just remove it completely.
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 Okay.
And to try to make the column and the piston to be smooth.
Okay.
To be smooth.
Okay. Not here, just only inside.
Just from here.
Okay.
Because this part will be go up and go down.
And
so
go down. Yes.
It will be push the oil everywhere to be the column. That's all.
Okay.
And also for this one. 那个油泵没搞了，对不对？And for your own block machine, you have to remember that the mouse.
Yes.
For the engine oil.
Yeah, the engine oil. Yeah, yes. Like,
but before,
like that. Yes.
Yeah, like that. But before we deliver out your block machine from our factory, we will finish adding the engine oil inside.
You put oil
already. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So that means after half year, or maybe after 1 year using production, you will exchange the oil.
Take it out.
Take it out
and put
the new one.
A new one.
The new engine oil.
Okay.
That's all.
And how did I do that?
There's a release mouse on the vibration box. The caps on the.
Yes.
It's under the vibration box.
Okay.
You just lose it.
Yes.
Lose it.
Like a car.
Like the car.
Like a car.
So
and then
the used oil will be followed down. You will tighten it. And you will fill this mouse. Find a new one.
Okay. It's good to know.
Okay. So the third step is for me try to explain how to connection the power. Okay.
Okay.
The first one, you have to get a cable, big cable, to connect to the power source, the power source to this one, to this. Yeah, this one is the power source.
Yes.
This one is the power source.
Color by color.
Color by color. There are 3 feet, right?
Yes.
You have to connect one by one, and the times you fix the wire, The fix on this one is no problem. You just put fix the 3. Which one is also okay? It's also key. This one the power source, right? And there should be.
Wait.
Yeah.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
This cable, can I get it delivered with it?
Yeah.
You connect it like this. You roll it. You put it inside, and then I just have like for me, I think when I have 5 meters or 10 meters, it's good for me.
Okay.
Then when I make the electric installation,
I understand you.
I just have to take it out and fix it.
Okay.
If it's possible.
Possible.
Okay.
It's possible.
Okay.
You are right.
Yes.
And so that means, I will give you maybe some meters, 7 meter or 8 meter, because I don't know where exactly your power source is, far away from the block machine or close. So
me also, I don't know right now, but I try to make a plan with the machine where I want to put the machine. Then I know where I gonna replace.
But for now, we can give you some meters, some quantitative meters for you, and also you can remember how much size of the cable you can buy from your local market. And this one, and the second one is, there are how many motors? The vibration motor, first one, and the second vibration motor, there are 2. And the third motor is for the feeding and spreading the material.
Yes,
that motor. And the fourth one is the conveyor, the little conveyor, the short conveyor.
Yeah.
Transfer the material into the material cart. The fourth motor, I will pack it 4 lines, but now it's only 3 lines because this machine doesn't have the short line. Okay, this one I will show you. Okay. And for example, you will find from the motor, right? This one. For example, this one is the right side of the vibration motor. There are 3 lines. See, there are also a diagram over here. Like see the nasal vibration motor, U2, V2, W2.
Let me
see here.
Okay. Let me ask you something.
Yep.
Is it possible before you pack it like this? Is it possible to mark it?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So then I know when I get it like this. When I look the cable, I see the the things where, so I know where I can put it.
Yeah. Mark it.
We mark it. You understand, like that you say there. For the hydraulic.
Yes.
Okay.
So we will mark it. You will find it. This one is for the vibration motor, and try to find it here, and the connector.
Okay.
And the connector, one. Okay. And this one for the right side vibration, and another one is for the left vibration.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is for the left side of the vibration.
Okay.
So it connect here.
Okay. The two vibration there.
2 vibration is over here.
Okay.
2 vibration motor is here.
Okay.
And this one. This one is for the short belt. The short belt motor.
Okay.
Transfer the material down to the material cut. Will be go here. U4, V4, W4.
Okay.
U4.
Yes.
V4, W4.
W4. Okay.
U4. You see? U4, V4, W4 is for the material dispatching part motor.
Okay.
Material dispatching motor. That means yes. And another motor is for the material feeding and spreading motor.
Yeah.
For yeah, it's the U. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one.
Okay.
U5, you see? The
Yes,
U5,
yes.
V5, W5. This one, U5, V5, W5 is a swing motor.
Swing. Okay. Swing. Yes.
Swing
Yes.
motor means material feeding
Yes.
and
Yes.
splitting
Swing.
motor. Swing motor. That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Yes.
And there's another. This one U3, V3, W3. U3, yeah. Yeah. And this one is for this.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
this one is for this.
Okay.
The cable is for this.
Yes. Yes. I understand.
It's U3, V3, W3 is a block transfer motor. Block transfer motor.
Yes.
U3, V3, W3 能拍了吧？will be connected here.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Yes.
And the left one is is this one. This cable,
Yes.
this cable is from the hydraulic station motor.
Hydraulic motor. Yes.
拍这个 hydraulic station motor. 能看到吗？this one, this motor.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hydraulic station motor, this big one.
Okay.
It's called hydraulic pump motor. Hydraulic pump motor.
Yeah.
U1, V1, W1. It's U1. U1, V1, W1. Drop into here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Yes.
But I will remind you of this one. Let me show you 这个转向。
And this one also is gonna be delivered with a cable like this. Okay. Because this hydraulic and the PLC.
我知道了。
Yeah. This side.
拿了，不是转速，那是转的方向。哪有画的？你看，暂停。